Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. And in this episode of Skincare Spotlight, we will be spotlighting one of my favorite moisturizers at the moment, and of course it's Tatcha's water cream. So Tatcha calls it the water cream because you know what, it is that water cream. So with that being said, let's actually get into spotlighting this product. So what I wanted to tell you guys before we really get to the details of the product is I started off with the sample, then I bought a smaller version on eBay, then I got the mini one at Sephora. Side note, don't ever buy it on eBay. You just wasting your time at eBay, but I'll leave that story for another time. So then I bought this. So they're like two different sizes. And then you guys, after this, as you can see, two different sizes. That's what I wanted to say. I decided to go ahead and purchase the mega ultra size after I say, you know what, I got a sample from Sephora, then I got this sample, and then I finally got this sample. I decided to go ahead and get the mega size, and today we are going to talk about why this water cream is so perfect for your skin. Side note, it may not be the perfect cream or moisturizer for those with very dry, severely dry skin. So you may not want to purchase this product if your skin is very dry. I will say over the course of a few months of using this product, I've noticed that my pores are smaller. The moisturizer doesn't clog my pores, meaning I get less blackheads over the months that I've been using this product. I haven't formed any breakouts. This product is also wonderful if you are looking to get a very soft, silky feeling to your skin and your skin feeling baby soft. It is something about this cream that is so magical where it makes your skin feel really soft. So it literally goes on like water, and it's a sort of weird feeling you have to get used to. I noticed for me on the first try of using this water cream that the feeling was just off to me. I didn't like it. It's just something you have to get used to. Because Tatcha's water cream goes on like water, you will notice when you put this cream on your face, it has this sort of watery texture. And if you notice when you're putting water on your face, water has no slip, it has no grip to it. So Tatcha's water cream sort of mimics that feeling. So it will be something new if you've never tried this water cream that you'll have to get used to, and it may put you off in the beginning, but stick with it and you will really enjoy the results of this water cream. So I use Tatcha's water cream once in the morning time and once at night, so it was twice a day for me, and I really noticed the reduction in the size of my pores. When I woke up in the morning, normally I'll wake up with, you know how we wake up, y'all know how we wake up. So when I would wake up in the morning, I noticed that my face was still moisturized. There was no residue from the water cream on my pillow. My pillows looked great, and the water cream I could still feel it on my skin. So my skin was nice and supple in the morning. I really didn't want to wash my face, but when I did wash my face in the morning time, I noticed that my face was still soft. I noticed with most moisturizers that I do use that sometimes there's an issue in the morning time where I'll wash my face and then I'll need to reapply moisturizer because my face may dry out too quickly. I noticed with the water cream that was not an issue. It still made my face feel nice and supple. So that's really a good thing about this water cream, that you don't have to worry about drying your face out or your face being completely dry when you just add water to it or you add any type of cleanser to your face. Tatcha's water cream doesn't aid in stripping your face of any type of oil. Some moisturizers do that, and some moisturizers actually leave a residue on your face if you're using them with some sort of cleanser in the morning, and you'll have to reapply more and more. Some creams are like that. I also like the fact that there's no white cast with this water cream, so the texture is so creamy and smooth and amazing. You would think that there would be a white cast on your face where you would have to rub it in. Y'all remember I did that La Mer review and there was a whole white cast, and I was literally rubbing it in my skin just to get the white cast away, although I figured I did it wrong, but that's here nor there. With that being said, there's no need for you to rub it in your hands to warm the cream up and then apply it to your face where there may still be a white cast to your face. So with that being said, this cream can easily be applied to your skin and there's no white cast. I also like the fact that this cream doesn't make you sweaty. So this is a really good summertime cream where you don't feel any sweat. Monsoon season is finally coming, so this is one of those creams that I like to use during monsoon season because it's very lightweight, it's not heavy, and I know when I'm going to sweat because of the humidity rising. So I know I love the humidity. I'm just saying, you know, we sweat from the humidity. I know when the humidity rises, this cream does not make me sweat, and it's not going to be burn in my eyes when I'm wearing the cream. If you don't know, certain moisturizers do make you sweat. They feel heavy on your face, especially a lot of water-based moisturizers. They have this sort of like silky, heavy feel to them that literally just make you feel sweaty. Tatcha's water cream doesn't have that sweaty feeling, so that's a really good thing that I really enjoy about this water cream. And since we're about to hit monsoon season, I'm just so happy that I found a cream that is worth it. I also like the fact that the water cream does have very cooling properties, so it's very cooling to the skin, and I guess that's why you can call it a water cream. So if you're that type of person who goes out into the sun and you're prone to redness, or most of us are prone to redness, you know, at the end of the day, no matter the tone of our skin, skin is skin, so you're liable to burn it no matter what tone, color, creed you are. I'm just saying, you are liable to burn your skin. So what you should do is protect it with some sort of sunscreen, a hat, an umbrella. But for those who don't protect their skin, what you can do if you get prone to redness in the summertime, what you could do is use this cream at night, and it has very soothing and calming properties. I don't know what they put in it to make it soothing and calming, but it's very soothing on the skin after a long day in the hot sun. It will actually absorb into your skin, so it has really great absorbing properties. I don't know why. I guess it's because of the water. I don't know what they do with this cream. It's some sort of sorcery behind it. I need to be in the lab when they making this so I can see all the Japanese ingredients that go into this cream, because literally when you put it on, it goes on like water, right? And like wait 5 seconds and you start touching your skin. It's like this baby soft feel to your skin. I don't know what Tatcha does with this water cream that makes it so amazing, but it is like, oh my God, like you will touch your face, like put it on, it feels like water. We know what water feels like. I mean, I'm not about to analyze that, please don't. But what I'm saying, you know how it just, you know, when you're putting it on your face, it feels like water. But then when you touch your face, water tends to dry your face out. But when you touch your face with the Tatcha water cream, it's like this bouncy feel that you feel on your skin. It's sort of soft, it's dewy, like just very juicy. Like that's the perfect word for it. I think it's very juicy feeling on your face when after you put the water cream on. Now, oh my God, it's just really amazing, you guys. With that being said, let's nitpick the product, because you know I like to nitpick all skincare products because there's nothing, they're not 100% perfect. Although, you know, honestly, I would give the water cream a 5 out of 5, but there are some drawbacks to it. So let's just talk about the drawbacks. Number one, they do mention on their website, this is not for dry skin. However, I will say this, if you live in a very if you live in a climate where the humidity is very high and you have dry skin during the summer months around monsoon season, this would be a cream that you should try. You will love it. It doesn't give you all the sweatiness, the heavy feeling that sometimes creams give you. So if you're looking for a lightweight moisturizer in the summertime, depending on your dry skin, if you have eczema, then you may want to stay clear of this moisturizer. But if you just have very dry skin and you're looking for a summer cream that's not heavy, lightweight, airy, this would be the perfect moisturizer for you. Because it has that sort of water feel to it when you put it on your skin. I don't know what people be talking about, a little goes a long way. For me personally, this cream lasts me about 5 to 7 weeks. I know that's not long enough for some people to spend $68 on a product. It's a really wonderful product that doesn't clog your pores and will actually help reduce the appearance of your pores. But with that being said, people talking about pearl size amounts. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm using about anywhere between nickel size amounts and maybe, I'm not using globs, okay? Because $68, I'm not going to be using globs. That's a lot of money for me, honey. I don't have Kylie Jenner money. With that being said, what I will say about the cream is I personally notice that my skin, when it is damp, so I have to spray my face with some sort of toner, any type of rose spray. Caudalie is what I like, or beauty elixir, whatever type of spray you use some type of spray. Or if you're getting out the shower, dap your face a little bit with a towel and then smear the cream on, because this cream, for people with big heads and big necks, I'm giving advice. Petite people, stuff lasts y'all a little bit longer because y'all got little heads. Big head people like me, this cream doesn't last us that long, like 6 months, 5 months, because we have larger heads. We gotta smear a whole neck and then head, so it doesn't last us that long. So what I do to try to preserve the life of the product, I like to make sure my face is damp. So make sure your face is damp for all you big head people out there. So all this pearl size amount, I really don't use the spatula. I have to literally dip. This don't work for me. I don't have a small head. I think it's more because of Japanese culture. So I tend to have to use more of the cream and I can't use the spatula. Although I think the spatula is a wonderful tool that other high-end brands should think about, putting on their moisturizers. With that being said, I think that's the only nitpick. I also want to reiterate my point in the beginning that you really have to get used to this cream because there's no slip, there's no grip. It's literally like putting water on your face. So if you've ever just put water on your face and decided to one day just massage water into your face, it doesn't have that slip as well. So some people are put off by that because it makes them want to use more of the cream. That's why I say your skin needs to be damp, so you don't use too much of the cream. You preserve as much as possible, so you don't have to be buying it and buying it and buying it, because $68 add up soon to be rent money at the end of the day. But with that being said, you guys, that is my only nitpick. Get used to the non-slip, and I'm telling you, just it may go on with like water, but wait about 5 to 10 seconds and you will get this juicy, supple feeling on your face. It is really a magical, wonderful cream that is really amazing. But like I said, this is not really a winter cream, so I wouldn't use it year round. So you may want to start off with getting a sample first. If you've never tried it, get a sample. Just go to Sephora. Don't be going to eBay. eBay tried to trick me with this. This is a whole nother story for another time. I already put it on Instagram, but we'll talk about that at another time. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Skincare Spotlight. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up my video, and make sure you follow me on all my social media sites. I love you so much, you guys, and I'll see you in our next episode of Skincare Spotlight. Bye, you guys. Mwah.